What's up everybody, welcome to Cilinix Crypto, and in this video I wanted to do a quick price analysis on XRP or Ripple. So it's kind of like an update because 2 days ago I also did an analysis on Ripple when the whole market was down. Then I believe I said I actually thought we would drop down all the way to 60 cents. Luckily we held a little bit higher at the 382 of this bearish fib at 63, so that's all great. And now actually we have made quite a big, a small bull run again. So yeah, before we really dive into the price analysis, I just wanted to tell you two quick things, kind of like disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is not financial advice, obviously. And second of all, this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets, at least fundamentally seen. So if any big new fundamental event, so basically news happens, so further escalation in Ukraine, for example, please forget about the analysis because fundamentals are still stronger than technicals. So having said that, let's actually get right to it. So as I said, this is more like an update, but it's quite a unique and quite a novel analysis on itself. If we look at Ripple, it's almost 11% of the market cap in volume. That's actually a lot, to be honest, definitely with these types of market caps. If you, for example, and I hope I'm not wrong here, but if you look at Cardano, it's half that, and if you look at Solana, it's also less, a little bit less than a little bit more than Cardano, but still. So yeah, that's all looking good. And what Ripple actually did, or XRP we should say, is with this small bull run, we got all the way over 75 cents, and 75 cents is quite a strong key level. And what we did is we went all the way to the top of this key level. I mean, the key level I drew is not really correct in my opinion. It's the upper bound is more like around 80 cents. So we actually got there, took a resistance hit, obviously. I mean, it had to stop somewhere. And now we're back again at that 75 cents. And I think as long as we stay above 75 cents, we can at least consolidate between 80 cents and 75 cents. But I mean, if the markets remain stable, I think we have a good shot at actually breaking 80 cents. And as soon as we break 80 cents, I think we're going up to 85 cents, which is the next resistance and also my price target. That's quite a strong level. We might find resistance a little bit lower, even at 84. And as you can see, the wick tends to shoot through quite a lot. So I do think from there we'll probably drop down quite a bit again. But still, that would be really bullish in my opinion for XRP, but also for the whole crypto market. XRP is, nonetheless showing quite a lot of strength in the, well, not the last week, but before that it did. So that's possible as long as we stay above 75 cents. But if any bad news happens, so I know I said this analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets, but as soon as something bad happens or we just break 75 cents, then I think the fall to 70 cents is will be quite quick. So we'll probably drop down to that key level, as I said, around 70 cents if we manage to, or if we break through 75 cents. And the wick might even go as low as 68 cents, but I do think that will hold. And from there, we'll probably get up to 75 cents again, but it will be tougher in my opinion than to break. And we would just be looking at, for a break. And if that happens, basically the same thing happens as I think now is about to happen. Small consolidation between 80 and 75 cents. And then probably based upon fundamentals, which we may or may not hear about, but probably based upon that, either a break of 80 cents or 75 cents. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on XRP. If you have any questions about anything I said in the analysis or in this whole video in general, let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.